All right, let's dive into a really fascinating and honestly, a pretty ambitious idea today. We're talking about how you go from having a group of people who just follow you to creating a powerful, self managing organization. So, this is the big question, right? It probably keeps a lot of creators and activists up at night. You've worked so hard, you've built this huge platform, you've got the attention of thousands, maybe even millions of people. But what do you do with all that energy? How do you channel it into something real without you becoming the single point of failure and just burning out completely? At the very heart of this project we're looking at today is this mission, and it's a powerful one. You'll notice it's not about managing your followers. It's about giving them the tools to manage themselves and actually work together towards something bigger. Look, if you've ever tried to organize a club or a local meetup or even just an online community, you know this pain. People get excited, they're passionate, but without the right kind of structure, all that amazing energy just kind of fizzles out. Volunteers feel disconnected, people end up doing the same work twice, and eventually really good people just get tired and quit. So, the solution being proposed here isn't just another messaging app or some fancy to-do list. It's being framed as a whole new category of software, an operating system for an organization. Think of it like Windows or Mac OS, but for human coordination. It's the base layer that everything else gets built on. Let's make this real. Imagine someone new lands on your website. They fill out a little survey. Based on what they say, the system automatically puts them into the new volunteers group. The moment that happens, bam, it instantly triggers their very first task, something like watch the welcome video. That entire process, completely automated. And the best part is, you can actually see all of this. With this display relations module, you can click on any a person, a task, whatever, and instantly see everything it's connected to. It's like having X-ray vision into the structure and workflow of your entire organization. The value is in creating something brand new. It's about making that leap from just having an audience to actually building a real, living organization. This slide just lays it out so clearly. An audience is passive, right? They consume, they watch, they're entertained. But an organization is active. The members create, they contribute, they're truly engaged. This tool is the bridge that helps you get from one side to the other. It takes you from being a broadcaster to being an organizer. So what does all this actually mean for you, the person with that big following? Well, it means you can finally automate how you welcome and sort new members. It means you can truly delegate responsibility and see what's getting done. You can build a community that basically runs itself. And this is a big one. You can own your platform, sovereignly. Every organization gets its own separate instance. It's your data, your community, your control. So the message becomes really simple and direct. It's time to stop just broadcasting at people and start building a network with people. And that really just leaves us with one final big question. If you had a tool specifically designed to turn all that passion and energy into coordinated, effective action, what kind of movement would you build?